What's up beauties, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, don't forget to spray that subscribe button, twist that like button and force your way down to the comments. Today we're going to be doing a product review on two products. The first one will be Creme of Nature Curl Repair Leave-In and the second will be the Just For Me Hair Milk Curl Perfector. I really enjoyed using these two products, so stay tuned to the end to find out what my feedback was. So to begin with, just ensure that you distribute the products into the hair evenly from root to tip. Now I'm adding the Just For Me hair milk to the rest of the hair and of course ensuring that I've distributed it evenly. Both these hair products are good for moisture and shine and elongating the curls. Now the next thing you're going to do is section the hair, the front section for the bangs, and twist that away for a later stage. And then you want to section the side of the hair. This section will be used as two canerows going down for the sides. Don't forget to pack the back away just to keep it out of the way while you do the canerows on the sides. Now part that side section into two or three depending on the thickness of the hair and start canerowing the hair down. The Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner promises to detangle dry hair, and that's exactly what it did with Harmony's hair. It was very smooth and easy to work through canerowing her hair. What you're going to do next is twist the ends and do the same for the next section. And this is what it should look like. Now you can move on to the front bang, and again part it according to the thickness of your child's hair and start canerowing. I'm really enjoying using these products. The shine that I'm seeing in Harmony's hair, I don't think I've ever seen it with the normal products I use, so I really will put a thumbs up for these two products, definitely. Now I did Harmony's hair in three sections at the front. Although her hair looks quite thick, it's not as thick as it looks. So I then canerowed the bottom section of her hair down. The Just For Me hair milk promises to stretch the hair, elongate and define coarser textures, including moisturising the hair richly, conditioning it and keeping it well defined and gorgeous. And I have to agree with this, it definitely did that for Harmony's hair. Although I didn't notice it while I was canerowing it, I definitely did notice it after I'd finished and also after the hair was in for a while. And then you're left with the middle section to canerow. For this section, I parted them into 5 sections and canerowed it up to meet each other in a ponytail. Apologies for the way Harmony is eating that yogurt. I actually do feed my child. She just loves yogurt so much. For some of the canerows that I did that went into the ponytail, I parted each canerow once I got to the end in two and did 2 twists per one canerow, only because that section of the canerow was quite thick and just doing one twist would have looked a bit odd. Now I'm going to finish the hairstyle by adding some beads to each canerow. Most beads that you'd buy would come with a butterfly equipment that would make it easier for you to add the beads to the hair. However, for me, Harmony has lost it or thrown it away somewhere, so I had to then twist the hair into a fine point and then add the beads as I'm showing. The leave-in conditioner promises to restore body and shine, and throughout the hair and after I'd taken out the canerows, I definitely saw that result. When it comes to the end, I twist the last bit of the hair over the last bead and then I use an elastic band to secure it. After taking out the hair, Harmony's hair was still very moisturised, very nourished, and it looked very happy. I'm very happy with the results of both products. She kept the hair in for about a week, and yeah, I really like the results. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and let us know what products you would like us to try out next. Thank you.